Currently 7:30 in the morning. The hurricane hit last night, so let's go check out the damages. This tree is down. That tree over there is down. Down here, we lost the fence over there. Wow, we lost the fence all along there. We lost fence there, fence there. Wow. We're gonna go drive around now and check out all the damages everywhere else in our town. Look at that tree.
And then these other ones are.
The fence, this fence. That even worse, actually. All their fences. Chick-fil-A? When he said
Wow, this is what the yard is looking like. Wow.